Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to download Oracle Developer and how to open it. To download Oracle Developer, we will use this link that will be available in the below. Thereafter, we will choose this option wherein it download Oracle Developer along with JDK. So after downloading, it will come in your download box like this. Extract this file. After extracting, you will get a folder like this. Go inside the folder. Here you find this icon, SQL Developer. Double click on this. A new window will open. That is basically the interface by which we will be connecting with Oracle database. So it's good. Now it is open. In the next video, we will learn about how to create connection. Here I have two different connections available with me. So when you will open a new SQL Developer, there will be no connection. So let's meet in another video to learn about how to create connection.